Hi everyone, welcome to Law with Dunc, the Law Guy, and welcome to Brand New Day, the relaunch of the TLG Case a Day series, where we'll be covering important cases from criminal law, tort law, contract law, and the English legal system. So for day one, we're starting with a case called R.V. Pittwood, a case from 1902, and it's an important criminal law case on omissions, which is associated with the Actus Reus of a criminal offence. Or, the Actus Reus is Latin for the guilty act, and an omission is one way in which the Actus Reus of a criminal offence can be committed. Anyway, with R.V. Pittwood, we'll just cover the facts. So in this case, the defendant was a railway crossing gatekeeper, and as part of his job, he was contractually required to open the gate to allow traffic through and then close it again whenever a train was approaching. One day, Pittwood went for his lunch break and he left the gate open. As a result, someone attempted to cross the railway line with a horse and cart, and a train passed through the crossing at that exact time, and there was a collision and it resulted in the person's death. Pittwood was convicted of gross negligence manslaughter at trial. The important legal principle here is, though, that normally simply failing to act does not make someone criminally liable. However, there are exceptions. In this case, Pittwood owed a contractual duty to act. His failure to close the gate amounted to an omission, and that omission formed the actus reus, i.e. the physical element of the criminal offence known as gross negligence manslaughter. So whenever you think about contractual duties creating criminal liability through an omission, remember the case of R.V. Pittwood from 1902. Before I go, now that case is covered, if there's ever a case you'd like me to cover, let me know in the comments and I'll add it to this series. And whether you're a student looking for free case recordings or a teacher interested in classroom resources, you can find all of the Law Guy platforms through my link tree in my Instagram bio, including the merch shop, or simply search Law with Dunc the Law Guy or at Dunc the Law Guy. And that's it for today. Come back for another case a day, and as always, keep it legal.